So you say, okay, Bill, thanks for telling me this. This sounds good. Can you give me a practical example? Well, it turns out that all of us right now are in a mode of being of the coronavirus. That has affected everybody in the world. So it's there are very few things, by the way, you can say that everybody in the world is affected by, but coronavirus is one of those things. So one thing that you could do that for example, Forrestrin would make very easy to do, you could take your medical records and start to do an analysis of coronavirus. And you could look at coronavirus in lots of different ways. You can say, okay, in terms of the patient, how does coronavirus infection relate to blood pressure? How about different medications? How about their kidney? How about smoking? How about oxygen saturation? You name it. And if it's captured on a medical record, you can then take coronavirus and do correlative analysis. And it doesn't matter where you're at. You can do this in the United States, Australia, England, New York, Texas, Dallas. I don't care where you're at. The location makes no difference. So being able to look at and understand coronavirus with regard to the many different factors that it may relate to is something that is very valuable. With Textual ETL, you can do that. And for example, if we looked at coronavirus mortality and kidney cancer by country, we could make an analysis like this, showing that Mexico had a higher mortality rate, United States had a moderate mortality rate, and Canada and England had lower mortality rates. There's a wealth of information that's sitting there hiding from you in your medical records. And once you've created your database, once you have put it into a form, it can be analyzed. You can start to unlock all of these kinds of things that I'm suggesting.